Is being an electrician in Cameroon well paid? The average salary of an electrician in Cameroon is $3,200 a year. That is the average annual gross salary before the government takes its share, which leaves an after-tax amount of $2,700. This means your take-home pay is roughly $225 every month. If you want to earn more electrician wages, you should look for work in bigger places because city pay is usually higher. For example, in Douala, you can bring home $3,200 after tax. Pay outside the main cities is well below this level, but lower living costs in those areas help balance things out. When you start out as a beginner, your electrician income will be below the national average. Your earnings usually go up fast during your first few years, but they often stop growing later unless you move into a higher role. Having a university degree is not strictly needed for basic work, yet it helps you earn noticeably more money. On top of that, good qualifications allow you to move into better roles like site supervisor or project manager. Finally, your electrician salary in Cameroon depends on who hires you. Small local firms pay the lowest rates, whereas multinational employers pay substantially higher amounts for the same work. That is how much does an electrician make in Cameroon if you look at the real numbers. Knowing these average electrician pay figures helps you plan your career much better.